Today I will show you how to reset password for Kali Linux distro in WSL. So first open Windows PowerShell. I am opening my WSL after 4 long months, so I forgot my password. So let's see how to reset that. So the first command that I will execute is WSL-L-V. This command will list the Linux distributions that are installed on my WSL. So you can see I have Kali Linux installed on my WSL and the state is stop. So let's start the Kali Linux distribution. So for that, the command we will execute is WSL-D and the distro name, that is Kali Linux. Now we logged into our Kali Linux distribution as user 1. So the first task that we will perform is to update our Kali Linux distro. So let me clear the screen. So to update our Kali Linux distribution, we will execute the command sudo apt update. Enter. Now it is asking for the password. Let's type the password. Oops, it says sorry, try again, because I forgot my password as I have logged in after a long time back. So let's see how to reset password for my Linux distribution in WSL. So first we will hit Ctrl C, and then we will open a new Windows PowerShell, and then you need to type this command. So we will type Kali and then space, and then we will type config space / and then default -user and root. So what this command will do, this will force WSL to open my Kali Linux distribution as user root. So we will hit enter. Okay, now we will go back to our previous Windows PowerShell prompt, and here we can see the Kali Linux distribution that was running is now terminated. So what we will do, we will again type the command WSL-D and Kali Linux and hit enter. Now you can see we have logged into our Kali Linux distribution as user root. Now we will change password for our user 1. First, let me clear the screen. Now to change the password, we will type the command passwd and user 1. Hit enter. Now it is asking for a new password, so we will update the password. So you can see it says password updated successfully. Now the next step is to exit our Kali Linux distribution. So we'll type exit. Now we are back to our Windows PowerShell prompt. Next we will go back to our second Windows PowerShell prompt and we will type this command. So we will type the previous command. However, this time instead of root, we will type user 1. So what this command will do, this command will now force WSL to log in as user 1. So we will hit enter. The command executed successfully. Now we will go back to our previous Windows PowerShell prompt and we will type WSL-D Kali Linux and hit enter. Here we go. This time we logged into our Kali Linux distribution as user 1 instead of root. So let me clear my screen. Now we will update our Kali Linux distribution. So we will type sudo apt update and it is asking for my password. So this time I will provide the new password. So you can see this time the password accepted successfully and my Kali Linux distribution update has been started successfully.